Category: Mechanical more than $10 million. Cerrito Compressor Station LXP by Conservices. The Cerrito Compressor Station LXP is a fully operational compressor station flowing 1 BCF of gas daily and built to site in Wayne County, West Virginia. During an 8-month construction process, a 2.5 outage plan was required in order to keep gas flowing through the station during the project's construction. This required 2.5 months of hydro-excavation to expose existing utilities and below-grade pipelines. Multiple station outages were required to install stopple fittings, relocate existing pipelines within the station, add isolation valves, reroute fuel gas systems to maintain Unit Number 9 operation, and tie-ins for Unit Number 9 suction and discharge lines. Vicon then began construction on the new compressor building housing, 11,000 horsepower electric motor-driven gas compressors, VFD building, office warehouse and building, drum storage building, 9 cooler bays, 8 filter separators, and installation of new piping and valves to the existing 7 reciprocating compressors. These 3 additional EMD compressors allowed Columbia Pipeline Group to more than double the flow rate of the Cerrito Compressor Station LXP from 1 BCF PD to 2.3 BCF PD, beating the industrial markets to the south. Your Eagle Award winner for category Mechanical Construction more than $10 million is Vicon Services for the Cerrito Compressor Station LXP in Wayne County, West Virginia. Category: All contract amounts up to $100 million. Lost River State Park J.F. Allen Company. The Lost River State Park Water System, a project under the West Virginia Division of Natural Resources, consists of a combination of 1-inch up to 4-inch HDPE pipe, 40 building connections, 19 connections to existing water lines, gate valves with air releases, yard hydrants, meter settings, and other apparatus for the park. This critical upgrade to the park's infrastructure also called for the rehabilitation of the site and replacement of the existing water lines. One major hurdle during the construction process was ensuring park residents maintained access to water during their stay. This also required J.F. Allen's team to create minimal ground disturbance, as not to hinder the stay of those enjoying one of so many wonderful state parks in this region of the state. With park managers pleased at the performance of J.F. Allen during the entire duration of the project, these improvements were delivered to the taxpayers of West Virginia earlier this year to improve the stay of countless patrons for years to come. Your Eagle Award winner for category All contract amounts up to $100 million goes to J.F. Allen Company for the Lost River State Park Water System improvements. Category: Institutional construction less than $5 million. Monongalia County Courthouse Plaza Rehabilitation, the March Weston Company. In May of 2017, March Weston Company was contracted by Monongalia County for the renovations and expansion project at the existing Monongalia County Courthouse. This would include renovations to the entrance and courtyard square, including a redesigned war memorial and renovated historic sculpture fountain. The new improvements included heated ramps, concrete, 2 Bronze County seals, and compass inlaid into pavers and concrete locally obtained and repurposed sandstone, interior chairlift, embedded representation of the Monongalia River, and 4 new flagpoles. These renovations also improved ADA requirements while creating a new modern look without jeopardizing the courthouse's historical features. The entirety of the construction took place while the courthouse remained operational. Perimeters were installed to ensure the safety of both workers and pedestrians. Installation of the ice melt system in the concrete and pavers proved difficult due to the small interior space for equipment and the exterior restraints of the site. However, it remains one of the best unseen features of the project. The site also includes a glass river depicting the flow of the Mon River with county lines. A theatrical lighting control system was also installed so that the county could program different scenes for local events. Completion of this project was attained in just over 9 months. Your Eagle Award winner for category Institutional Construction less than $5 million is the March Weston Company for the Monongalia County Courthouse Plaza Rehabilitation. Category: Commercial $5 to $10 million. The Valley Park Community Center, Swope Construction Company. The Valley Park Community Center, located in Hurricane, West Virginia, is a multi-use building structure designed to meet the needs of local residents and taxpayers with the structure containing the offices, entry and locker rooms for the community wave pool, county parks and recreation administrative space and communal space for meetings, weddings, or other public and private functions. Swope Construction Company was awarded the nearly $7 million bid in the spring of 2018 and began construction under a strict timeline. Construction of this 32,000 square foot facility required CMU with steel joists and decking with brick, stone veneer, and fiber cement board facade, EPDM and standing seam metal roofing, along with decorative stone veneer columns and piers with heavy timber trusses. The interiors include vinyl wall coverings, decorative carpet, and tile flooring for the offices and meeting areas. Following 12 months of construction, Swope Construction delivered this project to the residents of Putnam County on May 18th of this year. Your Eagle Award winner for category Commercial Construction, $5 to $10 million is Swope Construction Company for the Valley Park Community Center, located in Hurricane, West Virginia. Category: Electrical Industrial, $2 to $10 million. Antero South Canton Compressor Station, Tri-County Electric. In May of 2017, construction began on the Antero South Canton Compressor Station, located in West Union, West Virginia. Tri-County Electric, utilizing the help of ABCWV member company, State Electric, over an 11-month timeline, installed HOA and ESD stations, a backup generator, grounding system, 1 permanent power transformer, 8 exterior pole lights, cable trays, fiber pitch panels, and pneumatic tubing for this large industrial project. A lighting protection system for the compressor tanks, interior lighting, switches, and receptacles were also installed by Tri-County Electric crews. The construction of this project, overseen by Boulder Energy Solutions, ran smoothly due to diligent scheduling and interaction. After nearly a year of construction, the project became operational in April of 2018. Your Eagle Award winner for category Industrial Electrical Construction, $2 to $10 million, is Tri-County Electric for the Antero South Canton Compressor Station, located in West Union, West Virginia. Category: Commercial, less than $5 million. Citizens Bank, Belpre, Ohio branch, Wolf Creek Contracting Company. Wolf Creek Contracting Company was selected by the Citizens Bank Company to construct its newest branch in Belpre, Ohio. The facility consists of over 5,000 square feet of commercial banking space, designed to provide in-person and drive-through services to Belpre residents. The project specification included poured wall systems, extensive brick and stone masonry completed by ABCWV member and subcontractor on the project, Lang Masonry Company. Wolf Creek Contracting Company also provided design and construction management services on the project, giving Citizen Bank Company a fully transparent and interactive experience with the design and build teams. This project took just under 1 full calendar year to complete and was 60% self-performed by Wolf Creek Contracting Company. Your Eagle Award winner for category Commercial Construction, less than $5 million is Wolf Creek Contracting Company for the Citizens Bank project in Belpre, Ohio. Category: Industrial, less than $5 million. Meadowfill Landfill, J.F. Allen Company. The Meadowfill Landfill project required the excavation of the Phase 11 area of this massive fill site, located in north-central West Virginia.
Waste Management is the owner. They bid out and do various landfills throughout the state, throughout the area. And so they bid out a project for a landfill in Clarksburg, West Virginia, which is the Meadowfill Landfill. And it was bid out, and we were low bidder and awarded the project. It was an overbuild of a new cell for over there to expand their air capacity at their facility. Yeah, this is a much bigger landfill. This one actually, the footprint of it was, I think it was about 6 acres of footprint and it was just for one cell.
The approximate volume of mine void and coal removal over excavation has been estimated to be nearly 15,000 cubic yards. Your Eagle Award winner for category Institutional less than $5 million, J.F. Allen Company for the Meadowfill Landfill Project. Category Healthcare less than $10 million, Westover Mon Health Facility, the March Weston Company. March Weston Company of Morgantown, West Virginia, was contracted by Mon Health in October of 2017 to complete the construction of a new gateway complex off Chaplin Road. The two-story structure included construction of an emergency medical substation and included 2 bay garages for ambulatory services, along with new physician clinics, exam rooms, offices, restroom facilities, and storage areas. The construction began in December of 2017, which made operating in cold weather conditions an early obstacle, which later turned to substantial rain during the spring and early summer. This required the installation of numerous underdrains to capture water and prevent foundational issues. The addition of the retaining wall proved to be an obstacle as well, due to the adjacent road and wall having to be built in separate segments. Organic material that was found had to be removed, and a rock shelf with a void was also uncovered and required removal. Despite these findings, March Weston still provided completion to Mon Health a week early and in just 8 short months of total construction. Your Eagle Award winner for category Healthcare Construction less than $10 million is the March Weston Company for the Westover Mon Health Facility. Category Environmental Construction up to $100 million, the Heaster to Pioneer Waterline, Kanawha Stone Company. In May of 2018, Kanawha Stone Company of Poca, West Virginia, began construction on waterline installation services for a new waterline for Antero Resources Corporation near Tyler County, West Virginia. The project included nearly 19,000 linear feet of HDPE buried waterline, constructed to transport water from the Heaster impoundment to the Pioneer impoundment for oil and natural gas production services. Kanawha Stone Company utilized cost performance and schedule performance indices to ensure that the project would fulfill completion on schedule and below budget. This process consists of regularly scheduled reviews of the project's CPI and SPI between Tom Kittredge, President, and Field Supervision. Kanawha Stone's Management Information Systems Manager, Greg Willis, created an earned value management tool that pulls data directly from the underlying databases of Primavera P6 and Viewpoint accounting software to generate CPI and SPI in real time. The project was performed in locations with steep terrain, including various types of materials. Kanawha Stone Company drilled and shot 1 steep ravine for the project. Majority of the excavation for the project was done with a trencher. The project schedule required fast-track construction for the completion of the project. Kanawha Stone Company crews adjusted schedules for the completion of this project, which was completed in September of 2018. Your Eagle Award winner for category Environmental Construction up to $100 million is Kanawha Stone Company for the Antero Resource Heaster to Pioneer Waterline. Category Other Construction less than $2 million, Shins Run Portals, J.F. Allen Company. The Shins Run Portals is an abandoned mine land reclamation project located along West Virginia Route 131 in Shinston, West Virginia. This area included 3 low-laying wet areas and a collapsed discharging mine portal that resides along the same route. J.F. Allen Company completed the Shins Run Portals project for the West Virginia Department of Environmental Protection. This also included grouted riprap drainage control channels, the installation of 60-inch bored and jacked drainage systems beneath the adjacent county road, excavation of overburden above the deep mine, road repair, and regrading of the site after completion. One of the many challenges of this project was attempting to install the 60-inch bored and jacked drainage system under the road without any damage. J.F. Allen Company completed this project and delivered a drastically altered area with less environmental impact earlier this year. Your Eagle Award winner for category Other Construction less than $2 million is J.F. Allen Company for the Shins Run Portals in Harrison County, West Virginia. Category Institutional $10 to $25 million, Crum Pre-K through 8 School, Swope Construction Company. Swope Construction Company was awarded the contract to build the new Pre-K through 8 school located in Crum, West Virginia in the fall of 2015. This $12.1 million, 65,000 square foot facility was designed and built to accommodate the local community in dire need of updated space for local students, teachers, and education staff. Included in this project is a decorative entryway and main corridor, constructed of a steel frame with wood decking. Classrooms, a cafeteria with commercial kitchen, administrative office space and support facilities, physical education area, library, and media center round out the facility's primary features. The classrooms and corridors have polished concrete flooring, and the gymnasium includes immaculate wood flooring in addition to a large locker room space and a greenhouse for agricultural education purposes. The core of the facility is ICF wall with steel joints and decking, along with EPDM and standing seam metal roofing. The load-bearing, cast-in-place concrete walls are along the perimeter of the new construction, with the concrete foundations and slab on grade floor construction. Following 21 months of construction, Swope Construction, utilizing ABCWV member companies such as Garage Door Operators, Cherry River Construction, Valley Gardens, and 84 Lumber, delivered this project to the taxpayers, parents, students, and teachers of Wayne County in the fall of 2017. Your Eagle Award winner for category Institutional Construction, $10 to $25 million is Swope Construction for the Crum Pre-K through 8 School Project. Category: Electrical Industrial, less than $2 million. Milan GBR Stability Labs, Tri-County Electric. The Milan GBR Stability Lab is a 15,000 square foot facility located in Morgantown, West Virginia. This project, which included numerous electrical features, was awarded to Tri-County Electric in the summer of 2017. With construction beginning in July of that same year, Tri-County Electric crews began the process of building and installing such features as a new 3,000 AM. Tri-County Electric crews began the process of building and installing such features as a new 3,000 AM 480-volt service, containing a mix of 20 panel boards that were both 208-volt and 480, a 16-kilowatt UPS for critical loads, and dual 500-kilowatt diesel generators with paralleling transfer switches to accommodate critical emergency power. Tri-County Electric, working under general contractor and ABCWV member March West & Company, utilized the supply services of ABCWV member State Electric throughout the entirety of the project. Additional features also include switchgear panel boards, lighting fixtures, and branch receptacles. LT Flex conduit, panels, backbone equipment, and cabling were also installed to support the fire alarm and security additions. The Milan GBR Stability Labs were completed following 9 months of construction and delivered to Milan Pharmaceuticals in February of 2018. Your Eagle Award winner for category Industrial Electrical Construction, less than $2 million is Tri-County Electric for the Milan GBR Stability Labs located in Morgantown, West Virginia. Category: Institutional, $5 to $10 million. Valley Park Improvements, Wolf Creek Contracting Company. The series of new projects located in Putnam County, West Virginia, were designed to expand the capabilities of the existing Valley Park to meet the needs of local taxpayers. Wolf Creek Contracting Company was awarded the bid to furnish the park with a near-complete overhaul of existing facilities with countless new additions. Included in the project scope was a new entrance sign and exit lane located at the park's entrance, providing for easier entry and egress to the park's facilities. New state-of-the-art playgrounds were installed with interactive technology and obstacle course designs. New walking trails were added throughout the park, along with shelters to house numerous functions held by local residents. 3 artificial turf baseball fields, along with 1 full-size artificial turf soccer field, were also built and installed on the expanded park grounds. Located in the center of the park's new 3 baseball fields is a 2-story concession stand for multi-use. New stormwater control structures, parking lots, and lighting fixtures rounded out the park's construction. Under a strict timeline, the park improvements were completed in a 12-month time frame and delivered to the public in the spring of 2018. With 45% self-performed work, ABCWV also utilized the services of ABCWV members Cherry River Construction and Creed's Lawn Care. Your Eagle Award winner for category Institutional Construction, $5 to $10 million is Wolf Creek Contracting Company for the Valley Park improvements located in Hurricane, West Virginia. Category: Historical renovations less than $25 million. Robinson Grand Performing Arts Center, the March Weston Company. In November of 2016, March Weston Company was contracted by the City of Clarksburg, West Virginia, to complete the renovations and restoration of the former Robinson Grand Theater, to be later known as the Robinson Grand Performing Arts Center. The original theater was opened in 1913, significantly enlarged and remodeled in 1927, partially destroyed by a fire, and later renovated in 1939. The last renovation to take place at the site in the 1980s. The theater was vacant for over a decade prior to the start of construction. The completed facility now offers a diverse array of productions and programs, including concerts, plays, musicals, lectures, dance, comedy, movies, summer camps, school field trips, art and acting classes, and numerous other events. With on-site construction beginning in 2017, the renovation began with the demolition process. Chairs, mechanical and electrical systems, plumbing fixtures, finishes, walls, and floors were all removed. The exterior brick, select windows, and existing terrazzo that was found under existing carpet were restored and renovated. The main auditorium, stage walls, and floors remained in their original situation, but were refurbished and roughed in for the addition of newer technologies. The construction process yielded many challenges due to the unknowns about the existing structure. Several areas were unexpectedly structurally unsound and required additional engineering, structural steel, and concrete. The demolition of the project took nearly 3 months, while substantial completion took 18 months. Your Eagle Award winner for the category Historical Renovations, less than $25 million, is the March Weston Company for the Robinson Grand Performing Arts Center in Clarksburg, West Virginia. Category: Industrial Construction, $5 to $15 million. Cerrito Compressor Station LXP, Vicon Services. The Cerrito Compressor Station is a Trans-Canada site located in Cerrito, West Virginia, which required an upgrade as part of the LXP pipeline, which needed an additional 30,000 horsepower of compression with up to 925 psig. This required the installation of 3 11,000 horsepower electrically driven units next to the existing facility. Vicon Services electrical team, utilizing the assistance of ABCWV members J&M Electrical Supply Company, State Electric Company, and Full Spectrum Incorporated, and under strict timelines required staffing 7 days a week. Once the buildings were erected, Vicon Services supplied a night shift team to keep 7-day production at over 20 hours a day of electrical construction. This required approximately 52,000 linear feet of conduit, over 4,000 linear feet of cable tray, 500,000 linear feet of wire, and nearly 20,000 linear feet of grounding to be installed. 46,500 man-hours were expended to complete this massive industrial project. Despite a strict timeline and overwhelming service requirements, Vicon Services was able to complete this project prior to the critical in-service date. Your Eagle Award winner for category Industrial Construction, $5 to $15 million, is Vicon Services for the Cerrito Compressor Station LXP in Wayne County, West Virginia. Category: Institutional, less than $5 million. River Park Hospital Gymnasium, Jarrett Construction Services. The River Park Hospital Gymnasium is a new 2-story, 4,200 square foot gymnasium in downtown Huntington, West Virginia. Built by Jarrett Construction Services, their team mobilized in August of 2017 to begin construction of this new facility designed to service staff and hospital attendees. Initiating and executing the site preparation was a key factor in meeting and exceeding the stormwater management control methods required by the City of Huntington. With constant contact and coordination from all subcontractors and the Jarrett construction team, the foundation, building pad, and metal building structure were all erected during record cold temperatures. The structure consists of a pre-engineered metal building with brick masonry veneer over heavy-gauge metal stud exterior framing. Accompanying the exterior brick facade is a colored exterior insulating foam system. The design of a permeable paver system by Stengel Hill Architecture Incorporated aided in fulfilling strict requirements of local stormwater management controls. Interior partition walls are metal stud framed with impact-resistant drywall. Floor finishes include both sheet vinyl in the bathrooms and OmniSports flooring in the gymnasium. The ceilings are acoustical ceiling tiles with drywall soffits. River Park welcomed staff and hospital attendees on July 18th of 2018 to experience the new facility. Your Eagle Award winner for category Institutional Construction less than $5 million is Jarrett Construction Services for the River Park Hospital Gymnasium. Category Infrastructure Heavy up to $100 million. U.S. Route 50 Turning Lane, J.F. Allen Company. J.F. Allen Company, working for project owner Antero Resources, constructed the widening and extension of the turning lanes and installation of a traffic signal on U.S. Route 50 and the intersection of Sunnyside Road in Doddridge County, West Virginia. This project was required to accommodate the volume of truck traffic entering and exiting the newly built Clearwater Water Processing Facility, located just off the exit. Antero Resources fully funded the improvements to the intersections to make it safer for Antero traffic and the traveling public. Once the widening of the turning lanes for both east and westbound traffic was complete, along with the widening of Sunnyside Road, a thick layer of asphalt was added to even and smooth the new areas of the road. The installation of the traffic signal was later installed by subcontractor West Virginia Signal and Light to complete the project. Performing this construction at a busy 4-lane intersection did provide for challenges along with a strict adherence to safety. A concrete barrier was installed to ensure safety and performance were existing at all times. Your Eagle Award winner for category Infrastructure Heavy up to $100 million is J.F. Allen Company for the U.S. Route 50 Turning Lane in Doddridge County, West Virginia.